Hey Chomi, hey bestie, thank you for watching, thank you for coming back to my channel. Chomi, watch me as I achieve this nail set using Polyge. On the video, I'll be showing you all the steps I took to achieve these nails in coffin shape. It's pink and purple, touches of gold, and a little sprinkles of glitter that, not glitter, diamonds that are pink. Please join me as I go through the whole experience of a client. Like here, you can see she's deciding what nails or shape she likes. We are coming to a conclusion what type of coffin she wants. I won't be talking throughout the whole video, but I'll be mentioning like what am I doing here. Like for instance, here I'm applying glue, adding the tip. I wish bestie like you could have heard what she was saying, but because we were playing music at the salon, you couldn't hear us interact. That way you'd have an idea what it's like interviewing a client, trying to get what's in their mind and trying to transition it to their hands. And that feeling I get as a nail tech when I'm done doing the job and I've understood the assignment and I've given them exactly what they want, and seeing their smile, and I love that. I love that. So let's watch. Thank you for your support. Thank you for tuning in. I love you wherever you are in the world. Know that Molalo loves you, boo boo. I love you, Chibubu. And thank you, in case I forget to say it one last time, thank you for tuning in. Thank you. Okay, here we're trying to decide the length. She's looking at them and trying to see, do I want them short, not too long? She ended up deciding on 3 magnets. She felt it would be the best length for her as she's working. And when I'm done cutting them, I just file them, shape them. Then I start using the polygel after preparing with your nail primers and all that. This is not the final filing. I'm just filing so that whatever tip is on her skin, or whatever part of the tip is on her skin on the corners, I remove it. That's why I'm filing them, but I'm not trying to perfect them because time is rushing. There's a client coming, so we're trying to work smart, not hard. Bestie, this is the preparation of the natural nail. We apply dehydrators, primers, the works. I forgot to record the whole part, but this is the little that I got. Do you know where the danger is? Do you know where the danger is? This is where the danger is. This is when the real thing begins. This is my second time doing polygel. I'm nervous inside. I'm trembling. But I'm like, girl, we're gonna conquer. We're gonna figure this out. We're gonna do it. I saw them do it with a stick. The stick is not doing. I'm like, wait, let's breathe. Let's find the brush. I stop everything. I look for the brush. And then I'm like, no, man. I'm using Manoma. I'm like, no, why is this Manoma not working? I remember there's a poly solution. I pour the poly solution. And then the things start combining. And now it's moving. It's going down. Yeah, so watch me as I go through the whole process. I'll try speed it up. But this was hard. It was hard. It was tough. I wish I did it in stages. I'll share my experiences because for now, I don't know what I'm doing right and what I'm doing wrong. But I'm hoping after I've done like 10 clients, I'll be able to elaborate what I should have done on the second client versus what I did. You get me? Thank you for supporting me, Chomi. Keep watching. I'm going to speed up the whole process. I don't know why the polygel started to become sticky. I can't tell you what happened here, but these three nails, or this hand particular, gave me a really tough time. It didn't want to stick. It was melting. It was running. It was touching the skin. It was not behaving. Ooh, child. The drama with doing these three nails was intense. I don't know what I could have done different, to be honest. But I wish like I did one finger at a time instead of doing all three or all five at one go. I mean, all four at one go, excluding the pointing finger. Watch with me as I struggle along. Emphasis, it was hard. And trying to maintain my cool in front of the client because I want to get paid was tougher, honey. Tougher. It was hard. But I struggled through and I made it. Here I'm done applying the polygel everywhere, so I'm checking if there are any mistakes. And then I had to start adding because they were not even. Some parts, like at the corner of the nail, there was no polygel, so I went back in just to add and make sure I have the whole polygel situation covered, you know? Yes. Show me here. We start with the nail art. Okay. We watch and we don't judge. I'm not perfect at nail art. Every time it comes out different. I'm just showing you some of the steps that I took to achieve the nails that I got. And I'm slightly embarrassed with my brush. I'm like, why did I buy brushes for my home studio and not for the salon? I think the things that I got for my salon, I'm gonna take them to the salon. I mean, the things that I got for here at home for recording, I'm gonna take them to the salon And goodbye,
and use them there.
goodbye.
And then I'll reorder.
Love you much. Goodbye. And this is the last voiceover. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the nails. Keep watching. Don't skip the ads. I don't know why they say that. Subscribe, like, hey, do everything.